began this firm almost 15 years ago now with a very simple design philosophy. My name is Manny Paredes. I am the principal of Paredes Architects Ubiquitous. I believe that architecture and design is in every single detail and in every single bit of what we do, from the most minute to the largest scale. And if the opportunity arose, it's part of designing everything into one homogeneous, beautiful concept and vision. And it never ends. There's more and more to do. When you're dealing with these older structures, you never really know what you're going to find. The way some structural joints were done on this project were a bit of a challenge because we had to have some structural ingenuity, almost some structural gymnastics in order to make it work. But in the end, it all worked out just fine. Very hard to explain, but architecture has a certain spirituality to it, and it's very hard to fabricate that almost like breathing that a house does. And when you find where it has that feeling inside it, then it's our duty as an architect to just help bring that beauty out. It's almost like you know that the statue of David is in that marble and you just have to carve it out. That's kind of my role when it comes to properties like this. So much history. This particular property stands above the rest. The developer had an attention to detail that I admire. There is a beauty to the combination of materials, the joinery, the lighting. Everything actually works out really beautifully in this project. You need to walk the space. You need to see it, you need to feel it. There's a sense of belonging there that I think you'll appreciate.